Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Blackline Drying Towel number 1 rated car drying towel for car detailing streak-free, XL 1300 GSM Premium Ultra Soft Microfiber, Twisted-Loop Microfiber Towels for cars 24 inches by 36 inches. The last towel you will ever need. We designed the Blackline Twisted-Loop Microfiber cloth to be built for speed and performance. We strive to be the most absorbent, quick dry towel on the market. Our black microfiber cleaning cloth absorbs up to 6 times its own weight in water. An effortless streak-free finish. These microfiber towels for cars dry your entire automobile streak-free in just a quick minute with our Mega Drying Towel 24 by 36. Its plush and microfiber allows for an amazing drying experience. No more water spots. Forget about scrambling when car detailing to dry your car before it dries and causes water spots. The Blackline Drying Towel uses Twisted-Loop Microfiber Technology to give you an optimum way to dry your car. One pass is all you need. It might be crazy to think about, but one pass is all you need with our large microfiber towels. This is not just any other type of microfiber, it is the ultimate car drying towel and car dryer for a reason. Thanks for watching and subscribe.